Well, just got done with my hunt. I went solo today. My two buddies are, one's out of town, and I'm not sure about the other, but I went on a solo hunt today. I hit 4 stands, stayed with my prey distress. I tried something different on this last stand because I was getting skunked. I went with bird distress. And this coyote comes in, he beelines it straight. I'm using my decoy, and he's focused on it. And I barked at him twice. I thought I was loud enough, and yeah, he didn't care. He kept going straight. Luckily for me, he wasn't coming in hot. He was coming in, slow pace. I was able to shoot him, take him, and then I hit him again. He kept flopping around, and I went to pup distress and nothing. So, but overall, it was a pretty good hunt. It is hot right now. It's what is it now? According to my phone, it's 77 degrees, so it's getting hot, so I am done. But I do want to give a special shout out to my cousin Felix. He's a big supporter of the channel. Primo, this one's for you. And also, if you guys still get a chance to check out Proto Valley Outdoors for their equipment, that's where I got my recording device, if you guys are interested in that. So I'll go ahead and put their information again at the end of this video. So for me, it's time to go home and relax. So well, enjoy. Woo! 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 Well, I called one in. I found this lane here. I was anticipating them to come out from the front, possibly maybe the side, but yeah, this is all thick right here, all around me. And my truck is parked right there. Try to hide it. Here's my stand. I didn't have a lot of cover, so let's go check this dog out. And my collar's probably about 25 yards out. Because it's such an open area, I used my decoy, and this coyote was really focused on that decoy. Barked on him a couple times. He wasn't stopping. Luckily for me, he wasn't coming in really fast, but here's my setup right here. A young pup. He's young. Let's see what we got here. Got a young male. Teeth are all white. Very young Probably last year's pup. And I'm right there. Not that far.